use of a U-clamp style bracket allows for easy adjustments and movement, showing practical thinking in every step. The parts come together like a smart puzzle, built from scratch with purpose. This technique is ideal for those who repair machinery, build structures, or design workshop tools. The finished part can hold pipes, rods, or brackets without shifting. It's highly useful in fabrication shops, auto garages, farms, and heavy-duty workspaces. The best part is how everything is done using basic metal, common tools, and a sharp mindset. Such work teaches patience, focus, and the value of reusable materials. The adjustable bolt-based rod helps in quick setup and repeat use. Whether you're learning welding or improving old designs, this task delivers strength, creativity, and reliability, all in one sturdy result.